we'll guide you through how to get CapCut on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and head over to the official CapCut website by typing in capcut.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a big button on the home page that says Download for Windows if you're using a PC, or Download for Mac if you're on a Mac. Click on that button and the download will start automatically. Wait for the download to finish, and then go to your Downloads folder where the installer file should be. Double-click on the installer to open it. You might get a pop-up asking for permission to make changes to your device. Just click Yes or Allow to proceed. The installation window will open where you need to follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually just a matter of clicking Next a few times and then Install. Once the installation is done, you can click Finish to close the setup. Now, you should have a CapCut icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click on the icon to open CapCut, and you're all set to start editing your videos. If you run into any issues during installation, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements and that you have a stable internet connection. Don't forget to check for updates regularly to get the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.